In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to carry out a Kruskal Wallis H test, which is a non-parametric statistical procedure that is analogous to the one-factor analysis of variance, or ANOVA procedure, without repeated measures. And this is a comparison between means of more than two independent groups. So what we see here in this hypothetical example, we have 15 research participants that were randomly assigned to three different groups, and the participants were evaluated for post-exercise pain or discomfort on a 0 to 100 point scale, and where 0 meant zero, no pain, and 100 indicated maximum possible pain. And the measure was taken after a randomly assigned treatment. So after the exercise period, participants engaged in an ice bath, or they received a massage, or they received no intervention at all, just a control condition, and the measure was obtained after the fact. So to carry out the non-parametric approach, will rank order these scores, but with SPSS, we're going to demonstrate how to carry out the analysis directly. So I'm going to go to Analyze, and I'm going to go to Non-Parametric Tests. I'm going to go to Legacy Dialogues, and then I'm going to go to K independent samples. So we have three different groups, which is more than two, and each group is independent. So I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to take the group and I'm going to put it under the grouping variable. Now I need to define these three groups as I've defined them between 0 and 3. I'm sorry, 1 and 3 in my original database. So I'm going to define the range, and here the range is going to be a minimum of 1, and the score of ice bath, or the value of ice bath, was indicated with a value of 1, massage was 2, and control was 3. So the maximum here is going to be a 3. And I'm going to continue, and I'm going to take the pain and I'm going to pull that over, and under options I'm just going to click descriptives to get descriptive data, since these are interval or ratio type of data. But the Kruskal Wallis test that I indicate here by checking this box automatically will assign these scores to different ranks. And you'll notice there are a couple of other options here, but I'm just going to focus on the Kruskal Wallis H test. So now that I have this set up, I'm just going to hit OK. And what we see here is that under descriptive statistics, what the software has done is it calculated descriptive statistics collectively on all of the 15, so it did not differentiate this. So to get a differentiated set of descriptive statistics, you would have to go to the descriptive statistics option. But when we take a look at the Kruskal Wallis test, here we see the average rank for the ice bath, for the massage group. Again, these are independent groups, and the control group, and we can see that with no treatment, we see that the pain rank is quite a bit higher than the ranked data for the ice bath and the massage. And what we're looking for here from a statistical perspective is the Kruskal Wallis H value, which has been calculated to 8.754, and that's going to be that would be contrasted against a critical chi-square value. We have a degree of freedom of 2, since we have 3 levels of our independent variable, which is the group. We have 3 groups. And we have a p-value of 0.013. So what we would conclude here is that there is a statistically significant difference among the 3 conditions, and would conclude that no treatment resulted in significantly greater pain perception scores than proceeding exercise with an ice bath or massage, and that p-value certainly less than 0.05, but we would report 0.013. So this ends this video on the Kruskal Wallis H test.